your first math lesson of week 5. It is a Back to Basics Monday. We've got a whole load of exciting stuff coming your way. So today we are recapping rounding. I know lots of you love rounding, so you'll be really pleased. We are going to answer some quick fire questions, recap some rounding, and then you're going to have a go at doing some by yourself. So here we go. You've got these warm-up sheets in the folder. We've got warm and we've got hot and spicy. Pick the one you want, just copy it down onto a piece of paper, have a go at answering it, and now off you go. Okay, great, well done guys. In the folder now you will find the answers, so pause the video again and just make sure that you've got all the answers right. If there's anything that aren't quite right, just check your answers, maybe have another go at that, ask an adult at home to help you if you need to. Off you go. Okay, so now we're into it. We're rounding. Yay! So what is rounding? What rules do we remember, and can anything help you? Ooh. So what is rounding? It is moving numbers to whole amounts. So if we've got 55, would that round to 60 or to 50? Ooh. It's going to round up to 60. Lovely. So what rules can we remember? We can remember this rule, that if our number is above 5 or above, it's going to round up. If our number is 4 or below, it's going to round down. Okay, so I usually draw something like this to help me. So at the top we've got 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, we're going to have to extend the page. 2, 1. Okay, so here we go. All of these numbers are coming down. All of these numbers are going up. There we go. You can draw that out on a piece of paper if that's going to help you. It might not help you. Who knows? Okay, so I'll have a look at this number. We've got 6,573. I want you to round this number to the nearest 10 for me. So pause the video and have a go at that. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully we have successfully rounded this to the nearest 10, but let's have a go just in case. So if we're rounding to the nearest 10, we need to circle the tens because we're rounding to the nearest 10. And we're going to underline the number next door. Okay, so this 3 is the number we are interested in. Have a look back here. Is 3 going to round up or is it going to round down? What do you think? Okay, it's going to round down. So that means this number is going to round to 6,570. Easy peasy. Okay, right. Now we've got this number, 9,726. First of all, I want you to round this number to the nearest 10, and then I want you to round it to the nearest 100. Off you go. Okay, let's go through that together then. First of all, we'll do it to the nearest 10. So we're going to circle the tens because we're rounding to the nearest 10. Underline the number next door. Have a think about that 6. Is that going to round up because it's closer to 10? Is it going to round down because it's closer to 0? It is closer to 10, so it's going to round up. So that means this 6 is going to basically become a 10, but we cannot fit 10 in that place value column. So this 1 gets added to this column, so it becomes 9,730. Nice and simple. Okay, hopefully this is all coming flooding back, children. Right, now we're going to round to the nearest 100. So let's circle the hundreds, underline next door. Have a think about that too. Is that going to round up? Is it going to round down? It's going to round down, okay? So that's going to become a 0. So the answer to 9,726 rounded to the nearest 100 is 9,700. Hopefully you all got that. Okay, this one. Wow, we're going to round this one to the nearest 10, 100 and 1,000. Okay, so pause the video and round this number. Off you go. Okay, let's go through it together, lovelies. So let's do to the nearest 10 first of all. So we're doing the nearest 10, we circle the tens, okay? There we go. Underline next door. Think to yourself, is the 2 going to go up? Is it going to go down? It's going to go down, okay? So this rounded to the nearest 10 is going to be 8,310. There we go. Right, let's try it to the nearest 100. If we're rounded to the nearest 100, we circle the hundreds. There we go. Underline next door. Think about that 1. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? It's going to go down. So the answer is going to be 8,000 and then 300, okay? Because we're rounded to the nearest 100, we're going to have at least 2 zeros at the end. Nice and easy. All right, and the last one, the nearest 1,000. Let's rub out our workings out from before. So circle that 1,000, underline next door. Think to yourself, is 3 going to round up? Is it going to go down? It's going to go down, okay? So the answer to this is just going to be 8,000. So all of those were rounding down, weren't they? Our next number that we're going to round is 800. 8,000, there we go, 115. Okay, we're going to round this to the nearest 10, 100 and 1,000. Off you go. Okay, let's have a go. We're going to circle the tens, underline next door. Think about the 5. Is that going to go up? Is it going to go down? It's going to go up. So this 5 is going to become a 10. We're going to jump this little 1 across, so this is going to be a 2. So the answer to this round to the nearest 10 is, whoa, hang on a second, it's 1,120. Lovely. Okay, next, my lovelies, we are going to round to the nearest 100. Circle the 100, underline next door. Think about that 1. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? It's going to go down. So the answer to this number 8,115 rounded to the nearest 100 is 8,100. Fabulous. Okay, and last of all, let's round it to the nearest 1,000. So we're going to circle the thousands, underline next door. That 1 again is going to go down, so the answer is going to be 8,000. Okay, right. What I need you to do now, children, is to find your activity in the folder and have a go at answering them. The answers are in there as well, so make sure you check those when you're done. Good luck. See you tomorrow. Bye.